Well, we got something exciting happening today. Timber's coming, so that's pretty cool, isn't it, Coop? Hey! And that'll keep me busy next week. Fantastic.
No trouble.
Oh, that's pretty awesome. All right, we've got the timber. Looks great, doesn't it, Coop? Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah, that's sweet. We'll be back here 2 days' time. Yep. Let's keep working. Keep going. What a beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful. It's just cooled everything right off. Temperature is beautiful. I don't mind working in the rain. I've got a roof. We got these panels glued, screwed into the fiberglass, fairly sealed up. It can do with another good seal. This panel's in. We've filled in all around the top edges. So what I'm going to do now is sand all this up and prep this area. And the other thing I wanted to start doing is cleaning all the inside. Giving it a good scrub down with some degreaser, getting it all cleaned up, ready for the primer paint. Let's clean this all up and then we can jump in, clean up around inside, do a lot more prep work in there. It's exciting. All right, let's get into it. That nice cool wet weather didn't last very long. It just went really muggy. As soon as that cloud disappeared, sun came back out. I think humidity must have hit 95%. Woo! Sit anyway. Yeah, there's a leak here, so that's coming in through above. Oh. This corner. Oh well, it's not. We've still got to sheet this, so there's lots of little access points. So once this is all sheeted and sealed, that should eliminate that leak in the corner here. Out of the way. It is that not. It's that not there. Now filthy.